Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and also do like the video. Guys, let's just do a catch up with all of these stories about some people going to court, because for some reason in 2025 it's like everybody is going to court. Even you have your court date this year. Yeah, go on and put in your leave with your boss, because you are going to have to appear in court at some point this year. If we've committed some crime and we don't know about it, we will know this year. Okay, so I feel like everybody's going to court to talk about Gogo Maweni, the Donell Mbele situation, and the Thabo Bester. Who else? To do Zile Zuma. Okay, so it says here Gogo Maweni trial date has been set. Okay, quick. Well, it's not so quick because this is something that happened in 2019, but I guess after her arrest, things started moving fast. Controversial traditional healer and media personality Gogo Maweni, real name Makhadzi, who was convicted of thefts and fraud charges before, will be back in court next month for trial. Maweni was back in court today facing charge of AS with intent to cause grievous bodily harm. From the incident dated back to 2019. The trial is set for March the 16th at the Protea Magistrate Court in Soweto. Okay, says after spending a week behind bars last month, Magistrate Roselle found that the 39-year-old Maweni was dishonest when she lied about her previous fraud and reckless driving charges, where she was found guilty. The court heard today that the investigation has been completed by the investigating officer from the Gauteng Province Cold Case Investigating Unit. Maweni, a mother of 4, confirmed to the court during the bail application that she is expecting twins. I don't believe the story of the twins, you guys. That lady doesn't look pregnant. Okay, that lady does not look pregnant. I would be very shocked if the story is true. And also, she has been pregnant with these twins for a very long time. Okay. Meanwhile, the Gauteng Cold Case Investigating Unit also arrested Ulindani Mgube, who is 34, a brother-in-law of Maweni, in a double murder case. Mgube, who is accused of murdering a Gobela Faith Mafilika and Initiate Bandile Kubega, was arrested 2 weeks ago. He was remanded in custody after 2 court appearances at the Vereeniging Magistrate Court. He will appear at the same court tomorrow, 12 February, for the formal bail application. Maweni's bail has been extended. Okay. Here's the thing, you guys, because I heard when Matthew Lani, angimazi nayo ungena but wayifaka kule case, was having an exchange with Gogo Maweni. Gogo Maweni was like, listen, I haven't been charged with an M, and the police, haven't contacted me or anything like that, so you guys please leave me alone. Okay. And I get her, if she hasn't been charged with the M, why are people talking about the M? But it is interesting, you guys, if I know the people, if I'm the one that knows the people and I have conflicts with the people, and the person that I know that does not know these people that I know, the person that I know gets arrested for the M of the people that I knew and we had conflicts with. I'm the one that had conflicts with these people. The person that is not supposed to know these people is charged with the M of these people. You understand? Yeah, but even if we wanted to think Gogo is innocent, it's very, very, very hard. Okay. Now, you guys, that's what's going on with Gogo Maweni. I guess the brother-in-law was arrested for something different, something that has nothing to do with Gogo Maweni. Okay. She's innocent, guys. She's innocent. Anyway, you guys, remember Donell Mbele, Sonia Mbele's son, was charged with R, okay? And he also got bail. So now he's attending court. Like I said, everybody's attending what? Court, okay? Donell Mbele's case has been postponed for further investigations. The son of the actress Sonia Mbele reappeared at the Randburg Magistrate Court on charges of R today. This was yesterday. Okay. The story was written yesterday, so he appeared in court on the 10th. Donell Mbele, who's 23, was arrested last month and released on 1,000 rand bail after his girlfriend accused him of an hour. The ex-17, whom he has since parted ways with, said the incident between 14 and 15 December 2024 after a date. Here's the thing, you guys, that I don't think people are paying attention to. Donell is 23, this girl is 17. If there was an act of between the two of them, it's already a problem, statutory, because she's underage, And anyway, I was violated by someone I thought I could trust, who I held close to my heart, she shared on social media. At first, I concentrated on it, but later changed my mind. She revealed in a post on social media that she trusted Donell. I remember another incident where he just got on top of me, pinned me down, and forced himself into me. Donell was previously involved in a similar incident with another ex-girlfriend who claimed that she was also armed and AS'd by him, but later dropped the charges. The National Prosecuting Authority spokesperson Upindi Jonondwane confirmed to Zuma that the case was postponed. The matter has been postponed to the 21st of March for consultation with the complainant and further investigations. Donell was dropped by Showmax reality show Born Into Fame. Okay, so he was supposed to be part of season 2 of Born Into Fame, and he was cancelled because of this case. I mean, yeah, they were right in doing that. Nobody wants to see somebody that is accused of such a serious crime, not even once, more than once. I mean, really, guys, where they smoke, there's fire. Okay, but people might say that sometimes they smoke, but it's only herbally. People are just smoking herbally, so there's no fire. But still, you still need to check if there is fire, if you see smoke. Okay, that's why they are investigating. Now, you guys, listen. Duduzile Zuma, who was almost the stepdaughter of Lachongo. It doesn't make sense, I know, but it almost happened. In fact, it was for some time. Okay. Duduzile Zuma has told Floyd to F off, okay? I think she was stressed by her own court appearances, okay? So this is the article from Zuma. It says that Duduzile Zuma Sambudla tells Floyd Shivambu to F off. The cracks within the controversial Umkhonto weSizwe party can no longer be hidden following Duduzile Zuma publicly hurling insults at the party's Secretary General of Floyd Shivambu. Through a series of posts on social media platforms, Zuma, who is the daughter of the former president Jacob Zuma, described Shivambu as the worst thing to ever happen to the MK party. Okay, it's funny because there was somebody that did an interview and actually said what's the worst thing ever with the MK party is the presence of Duduzile Zuma, and she says that Shivambu is the one that is the worst thing to happen to Umkhonto. Okay. The public spat from Zuma comes as calls of Shivambu to resign from the party grow louder following a letter from KwaZulu-Natal region, which went viral on social media, complaining about the Secretary General. Aware that she may be expelled from the party, Zuma tweeted that she is the real co-founder of MK Party and said that it's okay if they get rid of her. Floyd, I'm not scared of you. Tell your minions to F off bloody Mafikizolos, she wrote on X. F you, Floyd. Another tweet read, the worst thing that happened to the MK Party. They will expel me tomorrow. It is well with my soul. Still, Floyd is useless. Okay. She was upset, okay? In a statement issued by Jacob Zuma, the party said that it acknowledges Zuma's posts. These posts are insulting towards the Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe and constituting a direct violation of the party's disciplinary code of conduct, read the statement. Zuma ordered that Zuma's Bundla issue an unconditional public apologies to Shibambu members, supporters, and Umkhonto weSizwe and all of the people of South Africa. She must also extend formal apologies to all structures that she serves in and leads, including the Southern Caucus of Pan-African Parliament. These apologies must be made immediately. Following this, an internal disciplinary process will be initiated under Umkhonto weSizwe Party Constitution, Code of Conduct, and all relevant prescripts. Zuma said that if she fails to comply with the directive, there will be immediate consequences, including the summary termination of her membership with the MK Party, and that she will be recalled from the party responsibilities. Okay, listen. Obviously, Tutuzile Zuma does not like the presence of Shibambu on Umkhonto weSizwe, and she's very, very expressive about it. Okay. I wonder what's going on, you guys. Okay, but the weSizwe was supposed to be this party that was supposed to, rescue the KZN, but I don't know what's happening now. Okay, I'm not happy about it. Okay. Anyway, listen, you guys, I do wonder what's going to happen with Umkhonto weSizwe, because it just looks like there are people being fired, there are people being expelled all the time. It's just there is a sort of instability going on with the party, okay? So I hope that they can get it together at some point, okay? I'm hopeful, but not at the same time. You understand what I'm saying? Yes. So, you guys, let's talk about who haven't I spoken about, okay? So I want to do the Thabo Bester story, because Thabo Bester, guys, the case is still going on. We might not be talking about it as much, but it definitely is still making the news. So Thabo Bester's case has been, or trial has been postponed to July. Okay. A much-awaited trial of convicted M and serial RPs to Thabo Bester, his lover Nandipa Makudumana, and 8 other co-accused has been postponed to July. Initially scheduled to start today at the Bloemfontein High Court, the trial was postponed due to outstanding matters. Okay, the story was written yesterday. So the trial was supposed to start yesterday, but then it was postponed. According to the National Prosecuting Authority's spokesperson, Muchalifa, the first matter is that of Makudumana's judgment in the Supreme Court of Appeal. In November, SCA had an application by Makudumana to have extradition to South Africa declared illegal. In their argument, her legal team said that the arrest in Tanzania in April 2023 with Bester and her return to South Africa was unlawful and invalid. Makudumana wants the court to have her released from prison immediately. The judgment in the matter was reserved, and the NPA said that at the time that they were hoping that the application for appeal would be dismissed. The second matter is that of Bester, who took correctional services to the Pretoria High Court in September last year, where he filed an application demanding access to his laptop. Like, you used a laptop to escape prison, now you are back in prison and you want your laptop back. Like we want a replay. Like we want Thabo Bester escape from prison 2.0. If they ever give him that laptop, I shame. I'm going to Trump's country. I am going to Trump's country. I am immigrating to America. I'm painting myself white and I am immigrating to America. Okay. He told the court that he needed the laptop to prepare for his trial. Like you did the last time, okay? Said the states will need to argue on Bester's application. Last year, during one of his court appearances, Bester went on a rant at the Free State High Court and claimed that there was a political interference in his case and that he's not treated like other inmates in the country. He also said that he does not feel equally treated like any other accused person in the country. He also claimed that he was ill-treated at Khotsi Mapuru Correctional Center. Bester, Makudumana, her father, and some of the former Mangaung prison officials are facing multiple charges relating to the 2022 prison escape of the convicted RPs. Okay. Sinokotwane said that the state is ready to proceed with the trial, but that the defense said that in court today that it will only be ready after the true judgment. Okay, so guys, let's not be forgetting about this case, because this is a very important case in South Africa. And besides, you guys, okay, Remember, Katleho, okay, remember. I know the trial is not going to be about that because, of course, they were not charged. Is it Katleho, the young man that whose body was in there? Yes. Now, you guys, I know they are not charged with that crime, but still, them being convicted for any other crime might actually be some kind of justice for the parents of, they can't get off. Even though Thabo Bester is already a convicted criminal, it's not like he can get off, but non-NEPA, okay? So let's not be forgetting about this case, you guys. So that was just a little bit of catch up with our news, okay? With all of the people that are supposed to be in our court systems, okay? It's our taxpayers, so we need to know what they do over there, okay? Are they just visiting court to have lunch? Or are there trials going on there and bail applications being processed? You understand what I mean? Yeah, we need to be updated. Thank you so much. Ngiyazithanda kakhulu.